Balikan mo ng hirap, luhat lahat. Ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon at pag napaligiran ng ingay at ng gulo, di ko pagpapalit ngiti mo sa mundo. Eto tayo sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mong iyo ako. Sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto, diamante may abutin, ikaw pa rin aking bituin, natatangi kong dalangin hanggang sa huling siglo. Sa huli, palagi
In life, people come and go. Some stay for a while, some just pass through. But the ones who choose to stay through the highs and lows are the ones who truly matter. And those who leave, they teach us lessons about love, trust, and strength. Not everyone is meant to stay, and that's okay. What matters most is who remains when everything else fades. Because in the end, it's the real ones who help shape who we become.
Madaming paraan para maging masaya tayo. Piliin natin na maging masaya kahit na maraming pagsubok na dumadaan sa buhay natin. Nature is the cheapest adventure you can give to your family.